Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you guys what I found today at my Target for the fall season. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I'll put the link down below, and let's go ahead and get on with this video. So of course Target is notorious for their dollar pumpkins, and how cute are these little ceramic ones, but an even better deal I like are these like velvet pumpkins. This isn't a ceramic one, but these right here, these are velvet and they have like a cream color. They've got like a darker forest green, I guess, and a like a dark royal blue, and they're only $1, so these are a really good steal if you guys can get a hold of these. One of my other favorites of the Target dollar spot are the pennant banners. I love their banners, especially like these wooden ones, and they have quite a few here. So this one says home, this one is a white pumpkin. I had to control myself because I wanted every single one. I ended up getting this one right here with the 3 different kind of leaves. I thought it was super cute. And then they have this orange pumpkin too. And this here I thought was really pretty. It's like a gold basket, I guess like a fruit basket. I thought it would be really pretty in your kitchen. These pumpkins are a really good deal too. These are $3 and they're a pretty good size, and they have different kinds of different designs, so I really like that you have a good choice to pick from. Built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting. Okay, and these little pumpkin succulents are so cute, and I'm very upset that I did not grab one. And don't worry, I didn't totally skip over the Halloween stuff. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna post that one as soon as it's edited. And these pumpkins are a pretty good deal too for $3, and they have a bunch of different kinds of designs on them. I wish I would have found this one right here before I went to Walmart and ended up buying one pretty similar. Tomorrow, I'm feeling everything I need from you. It's all I believe in. I know you feel it too. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. And I found some more really cute banners. This one's a felt one, and then they have a couple of different other kinds as well.
like snow. When it falls in the wind, you know. And you say you wanna dance